Welcome to 420 Keeble Drive. This nice 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage, covered front porch. The modern interior is located in the Travers Park subdivision in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-77, Fort Jackson, as well as a quick commute to downtown Columbia. We're out front. See, the neighborhood has sidewalks on this side of the street. You have a 2-car wide driveway out front with a 1-car garage. You have some stacked stone accents on the facade and the entry as well, and the nice size covered front porch as we enter. So inside you have low maintenance luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring downstairs throughout the main level. You have an open floor plan in here, some recessed lighting throughout, and neutral paint colors also. Right off the entry, there is a coat closet to your right side, and also access to the 1-car garage here on your left. So it's a decent sized garage, as you can see. There's a small and medium sized SUV parked inside right now, just to give you a bit of scale. And then back inside, so the first thing here is sort of a dining area marked by a large window and light fixture here. It's all open to the kitchen, which is sort of a U-shaped with granite countertops, white cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. You have a pantry here on the left side also. There's a side-by-side refrigerator. You have a smooth top electric stove, as well as above range microwave and a dishwasher. And again, it's all open to the living space there as well. You have a long counter bar against the kitchen, and then a nice sized family room. Door to the backyard on this side as well. So out back you have a patio. You have some neighboring fencing to the left there, but it sort of backs out into some space that is still under development sort of at the time of the video. And then last thing on the main level is a half bathroom here with a single vanity, pedestal sink, and also a commode in here, sort of tucked beneath the stairs. So then you have carpeting starting on the stair landing here. As we go up to the second level, there is a full-size laundry closet with some cabinets above. Then at the front you have your master suite. It's a nice sized room. Faces out towards the backyard. You have a ceiling fan in here, as well as a private full bathroom. You have double sinks in here with a solid surface countertop. You also have a garden tub and shower. A nice window above, as well as a nice sized linen closet in here, and a walk-in closet against the back wall as well. So you have hanging space on like 2 sides there. And then to complete this level, you have an attic pull down in the hall, a couple of closets. One's a linen closet and one just looks like sort of an open closet for some standing storage, and that's the one on the left here. But this one you do have some linen closet shelving. And then you have a second full bathroom, single vanity with similar countertop and lighting, and then also a shower and tub. And then last but not least, 2 bedrooms at the front of the home. Closets on the opposite wall. And then here's the third and final bedroom here. And then you can see the closet on this side. So that completes our tour of this home at 420 Keeble Drive in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.